Hey guys, we're also here with an MRC small engine. We got the GoPro, and it's on. And it's on my chest right now. I'm gonna go get some tools. See how all this works. Because I ain't never had a GoPro. So we're gonna try it out. Make some of this filming for me a lot easier. So, and also catching people trying to run me over. So, I'm excited. Don't mind my truck, still working on it. I've been replacing all the little inside interior crap. Truck runs great. I put a couple of dents in it, but not that one. That one was there when I bought it. One in the back driver's side was there when I bought it. I put one in the rear bumper, and one in the rear passenger side front quarter. Didn't know the gas pump was gonna hang me up. Yeah, it got me. Yeah, I'm excited to try it out. Still got the USPS messing with me. I got a motherboard for my Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, which y'all have seen. One-day delivery. It was in my local post office yesterday morning to go out for delivery. And all of a sudden it shows up in Buffalo, freaking Texas. Come on, man. You tell me these people ain't jacking with people's mail. Get off the mail. God, get off of the mail. You don't own it. If you don't like somebody, it doesn't matter when you're doing a job. Do your job. Oh, what? Oh. Well, I guess it's still recording even though it's not connected to my phone. Okay. See, I'm gonna have to learn a lot of stuff with this camera, and I dropped my cigarette too. So did. Alright. Yeah, they fly down there all day long. Alright. I think that is all I need. Yeah, that's all tools and stuff down there. Some trash, yeah. But that was from this weekend. Well, there might have been some scratch-offs from this week, but alright. We didn't even use this one. Check, see. Still got 3 bars on it. We will leave this one on the charger just for maintenance, just in case, but I doubt it needs it. Yeah. Even in winter time, we got some boats. That's my boat right there. With the Tahatsu. I know I keep saying it every time, but I like my boat. So, yeah. We're letting the tractor warm up. Got a job to do. I just gotta wait good here so I can get all my stuff together. I know it's kind of loud. Loud noises. Alright. So, well, I guess this was a test, and